Hello. So today we're going to be doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you saw my last one, it was my first one that I've ever done. I had some things to say after the fact. I pinned a comment if you didn't see it, but basically I didn't keep anything from that box. And the way Stitch Fix works, if you don't know, it's a subscription that you schedule on your own. So you can schedule it once a month, every 3 months, whenever you feel like it, basically. And so I scheduled one fix. You pay $20 up front, and then whatever you keep, that $20 you paid goes towards your purchase. If you don't keep anything, you lose the $20. They don't roll it over into the next box, which I think that's what they should do. I didn't know that I was going to lose that, so I don't know. I was annoyed by that. When I went to schedule my second box, which is this one you're about to see, they waived that $20 styling fee, so I didn't have to put out an additional $20, but I never got my original $20 back. I'm still out $20 and I have nothing to show for it, basically. So I just kind of wanted to give that disclaimer because I was not aware that I would lose that $20. I don't know where it says that. I don't know if it just is in small print or something, but I definitely think that's something you should know because the pieces I've received both times have been pretty expensive. And that's kind of more or less why I didn't keep stuff. It's been expensive, but let's get into the unboxing. I've already taken a peek because, that's how I do. But yeah, so let's dive right in. The first piece came in this bag, and I was like, what is happening? But it's actually shoes. So I did not get shoes the last time. These are really cute. I'm going to put everything on and you'll see everything, but this is what they look like. They are a size 8. They're kind of this green, it's a gray, but it maybe has a kind of a green undertone to it. It's a block heel, very nice. These are by the brand Report, which I believe I have some of their shoes. And the Report footwear, they're the Mosses Textured Booty in gray, size 8, like I said, and they retail for $70. So, like I said, things are kind of expensive, but I mean, I saw this and I was like, oh, they're probably going to be $110. So I was a little bit surprised that they were only $70. But yeah, so this is what they look like. They're very, very cute. I like them. Okay, the next piece is a dress. So in the last box, I also got a dress, which I obviously returned. So it's this floral maroon kind of piece. It's a shift dress. It's very soft material. I wonder if it's cotton. I don't know what it's made out of. I don't know where the tag is, but yeah. So it feels very soft. It has a little bit of weight to it though. It's by the brand French Gray. It's the Murphy brushed knit dress in burgundy. It's a small, and it retails for $48. See, I don't know if I would pay $48 for this kind of dress. I don't know. It has 3/4 sleeves. It has a nice little detail of button here, but again, I just feel like this is something that I could probably pick up on sale at Macy's. I like Macy's. I'm not bashing Macy's. I'm saying I could probably find something very similar on sale for less than $48, if that makes sense. So I'm still torn if I'm going to keep this or not. The next piece is just a shirt, and it's more of a casual shirt. I could wear this on Fridays, but not during the weekday. Probably. So it's this nice green. I like the color. The material is a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is a little bit see-through, so I would probably have to wear a tank top. And it is a cold shoulder, so it has the little slit on the shoulder. So yeah, this one. So this is the Colette Romy cold shoulder knit top, still in the size small, and it's actually $34. The next item is a pair of jeans. This is by STS Blue, and they are just straight-legged jeans, and they have that distressed hem that's super in style, which I actually don't have any jeans like that right now. There are no holes elsewhere, which I was excited for because I don't really wear jeans with holes in them, and the last time I got a pair of jeans with holes on them, there's a little bit of distressing on the pockets in the back, but like nothing crazy. So this is a size 27 or a size 4. And these retails for $49. Again, I don't know if I would spend $49 on jeans. Like, I buy my jeans at Express and Gap and like, or Gap Outlet, and I always wait for them to go on sale. So I don't know. I haven't tried these on yet, so I don't actually know if they fit. And then this one is the Beacon Patty Roll Tab Knit Top in light green. It's a small and it retails for $40. So I think that this, it's like a gray, it's kind of like the shoes where it has like a green, but it's also like a gray kind of situation, like gray blue. So that's what it looks like. This I probably could wear to work. I think though my mom's probably gonna take this. So yeah, I haven't tried it on, but she tried it on yesterday and she liked it. So I think I'm gonna just have her take it. But yeah, I think this one's pretty. I think this one probably is the favorite. I haven't tried it on yet, but I think it's the favorite. So that's that. And those are all the items. It kind of was similar to my past box. In my past box, I got a shirt, a pair of jeans, and a dress, and then I also got a shirt, a pair of jeans, and a dress in this box. There were obviously some differences because in the last box I got jewelry, and in this box I got shoes. But yeah, so it's kind of similar. I still think that they got my style. I don't think that's been the issue yet. I don't think like it's not my style. It's just expensive. So the subtotal of all the items would be $241. If you buy it all, you get a 25% discount, and that would be $60.25 off. So the subtotal would be $180.75. That is a lot to me. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, $200 basically. I don't know, but I'm probably gonna, like, I obviously haven't tried everything on, but you've seen it on me. So everything on and put in the description what I ended up keeping. As of right now, I'm probably keeping the shoes and that green shirt. This one for my mom. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I know my last one kind of did really well. Like, I feel like people do search for these unboxings because they want to know what Stitch Fix is about. I do have a code or like a link in the description that is, I guess it's an affiliate link technically, but basically you can get money off your first box. I get money if you use it, so thanks so much. It's just money towards like my next box, so it's not like cash. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!